Have you ever thought to yourself, man, I wish I could stop my jet ski on a dime and flip my ass over the handlebars? Well, now you're in luck because most modern Sea-Doos have what's called the IBR, or Intelligent Brake and Reverse System. Yamaha also has their version with their own marketing gimmick name. It's called this. And this may come as a surprise to you, but most boats and a lot of PWCs in 2023 still don't have brakes and not even reverse, which is pretty insane. I think any ski in 2023 should have at least reverse, if not some kind of a brake system, especially because a lot of these skis are used as rental units and then you have numbskulls ripping around smacking into docks and whatnot, and a lot of those accidents could be avoidable if they could just squeeze some kind of a brake to drop down the plastic bucket and slow their stupid ass down. Anyway, mini rant over, we're going to be testing the IBR system today, which is on most of the upper class trim levels of Sea-Doos and also comes as an option on some of the lower end models. And of course, since we're testing the brake, you're also going to get some crisp acceleration pulls in this vlog as well. We got to get up to speed at least 9 miles an hour, or else that left trigger just puts you into reverse, doesn't activate the brake. Brake mode works really good. Try that out. You got to be going 9 miles an hour or faster for it to engage. Let's try it right here. Oh yeah, brake fucking works pretty good. Try it again. You got to get up to 9 miles an hour and then pull the IBR thing. Yeah, it works pretty good. Oh god, there's bugs flying around me. Oh dang bugs. Spin around again. And I'm going to say it again in this video. Once you hit your sponsons on each side, it just digs in the water and you just go the direction that you're facing. It's insane. I lost the word here. In sport mode, I'm gonna just floor it. It picks up the front end like crazy. Gives some acceleration that I'm just not getting bored with.
Hopefully
Hopefully you enjoyed that video. There's a ton more riding vlogs coming in the near future. Make sure you subscribe to catch those. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.